So, paano nyo nalalaman na overspeeding ang isang sasakyan? Ano ang ginagamit nyo pang measure, pang sukat? Mata-mata lang ba to? Or turo-turo lang to? Mabilis, oh. Or what equipment do we use? LTO and PNP. Sa amin, when I was mayor, I was using a radar. And even if I was using a radar, sa mga traffic namin, kine-question kami. That who yung measurement natin ng pagsukat dun sa speed limit. Can LTO answer this, please?
Your Honor, it should be the speed gun.
Speed gun.
Yes,
Under
Your
the law, is the speed gun acceptable? Or is there any law in the Philippines that allows us to use a speed gun?
None, Your Honor.
How about the DOTR? Would you know?
None, Your Honor.
Sa PNP?
None, Your Honor.
None. So, gumagawa tayo ng mga, meron tayong speed limit sa kalsada, pero hindi natin alam kung nagva-violate sila. Kahit tayo mismo na nagmamaneho, alam natin, nakikita natin may speed limit, may signage. It doesn't matter kung sumusobra tayo. Because we can always question that in court pag hinuli tayo ng overspeeding.